Good morning. Yesterday for Writing Workshop, I taught you that in Chapter 1, we introduce the characters. When we write a fiction chapter book, we start a new chapter by giving the characters a new adventure. This might be just that there's a new day or night. Maybe it's the next day and the characters do something else. Or maybe it's a separate story altogether. It's your choice. But when you write chapter 2, you're going to give your characters a new adventure. In a fiction chapter book like Magic Tree House, the chapters are in order because it's what happened first, next, last. It's really dependent. If you took the chapters out of order, the story wouldn't make sense. But in different chapter fiction books, you will see totally new adventures for the characters, and you could actually read the chapters out of order. You have to decide the way you would like to write your chapter fiction book. You can decide totally separate adventures for your characters, or you can start with chapter 1 and introduce them and have something happen, and then chapter 2 talks more about it and brings more characters, and those characters do more things, and you don't resolve your problem until the end of your book. It's up to you. If you decide to do a separate adventure with each chapter, then you can start it and end it right in the same chapter. So maybe chapter, if you're talking about, I'm talking about my character, Allie, who maybe in chapter 1, she talks all about her family and her problem with her older brother who's always teasing her. And chapter 2 is a totally new adventure. It's maybe Allie has a birthday party and she has her friends at a restaurant and they have dinner together. And chapter 3 is Allie's adventure at the park or something like that. It doesn't have to have anything to do with chapter 2 or chapter 1. The only thing that would be the same is your characters. So you decide how you want your book to be and make sure that you include a new adventure for chapter 2. Today I'm asking you to write chapter 2 of your fiction chapter book. Have fun.